Hello everyone, welcome to Vasulta Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. This is the reading for the month of April 2021 for the zodiac sign Virgos. For enrolling for one-on-one sessions with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to donate, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to order energized and activated bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to enroll for 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out. This is a situationship reading. That means either it is related to career or relationship. Okay, so this situation is currently going on with you, okay, in your life, okay, in the month of April. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out, Virgos. A lot of confusion, juggling between head and heart, like confused between head and heart, juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions. Okay, yeah, Virgos, you feel exhausted because there is some wish fulfillment which is not happening, and that's why you feel exhausted related to a situation. It might be into your career life, it might be into a relationship. Okay, it can be either of one or both. Okay, you feel very intense related to a situation. Okay, very intense you are feeling. You are suppressing your emotions, like even if you are sad, even if you are angry, even if you are feel like crying, you're suppressing your emotions somewhere. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, yes, you are experiencing a lot of changes within yourself and around you. You're realizing a lot of facts and things about you, Virgos. If you want to open a business or if you want to do something on your own, I would suggest you convert your passion into profession. Okay, convert your creativity into your profession, because that will yield you very good results. Okay, you want guidance. Sometimes you feel that you need someone who can guide you for the certain things in your life. Okay, which is very good. Okay, there is certain guilt. Okay, there is certain guilt which you are feeling, that you had certain guilt related to certain things. Okay, and that feeling you exhausted, you have certain guilts related to career or relationships or family wise, Virgos. Okay, so yeah, well, you are waiting for some sort of new beginning, new life, taking a risk, either starting a new business, either switching up of a job and starting new job, or opening a new category or a new product category into your existing business, or modifying your businesses in some way or the other. You are thinking of taking risk and you're starting something new. For the single people, a few of the singles might think that they want to take a risk related to a person. Okay, so it might be so, not for all, but yes, for little of you. Okay, you feel isolated, you feel cold, you feel sorrow, sadness, pain. Okay, that's the thing. You feel sad, you feel that everything is not going on up to your things. Okay, you have a lot of intuition level. If you're trusting your intuition level, it is very good. If you're not trusting your intuition level, it is very bad. So trust your intuition level, your inner voice will guide you correct. Okay, Virgos, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, and kindly comment down below if you like this reading. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out. Okay, so you feel that there are hidden truths, hidden secrets, which you needs to be revealed. Okay, that is what you feel. Okay, you overthink a lot. You are overthinking in the month of April a lot about the situation. Okay, very much overthinking is going on. Do not think. Okay, just be relaxed. Don't take mental stress. Also, one more thing, there's a conflict going on between head and heart. Head and heart said something, but it's not happening, you know. There's a, like, head will say something else, heart will say something else. So there is a fight, juggling situation going on between head and heart, okay. You want to end something, okay, either a situation, either a pattern, either a relationship which is not getting coming to an end, okay. So, or the pain you are feeling, you want to end that pain or sorrow or sadness, okay. That's the thing. So, okay, endings and new beginnings. There is some endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you, okay. That's the thing. Yes. Okay, so you feel that there is someone who have used you, who has taken advantage of you, or you know, who is manipulative, who is sneaky in the environment. Okay, so get away from the devil energy, sneaky energy, manipulative energy, because there is around you. Okay. Okay, so you have to take an action related to something, okay? Do not just overthink in the month of April. Take an action related to something. Reach out to someone which you are thinking for so long, okay? It's like that. If you want to take an action towards someone or something, do it, okay? Virgo, you know, there are few Virgo masculines who will take an action towards some female, okay? Or else there will be a person approaching you. It might be masculine, it might be feminine, for a proposal, okay. So for few of 5% or 10% of the Virgos, you might get a proposal from a person, because someone is trying to rush into your life. So yeah, very soon it will get you will get a proposal. Okay, no more waiting game going on, like, you know, there's an interference of third party situation in few of the Virgos life, okay. Third party can be in-laws, parents, family members, okay. So no more, you are releasing that third party situation. No more waiting game is going on, which is very good. Okay, you're trusting your intuition level a lot, very much trusting your intuition level, okay. You feel that you want to travel somewhere, but traveling has been blocked. You wish to relocate, you wish to shift, but there's a universal blockage from the destiny, and therefore you cannot travel, shift, or relocate. Within next 7 months you might travel somewhere or relocate or shift somewhere, okay, which you are thinking for a long time. Trust your intuition level a lot, Virgos, okay. You are in the month of April, you will not be feeling stuck into a situation. You will be gaining a lot of clarity related to a situation, either into your career life or into your relationship, okay. So yeah, yes, there will be something happening, like, you know, something, a shattering, a thunderbolt, um, shake up will be happening into your life in the month of April. Be aware of it, because it might be turn out to be positive, okay. But tarot moments are very difficult to handle, but after that it comes, it's in a very nice way, okay, in a positive way. It gives you the results. You feel that you want to move away, get away from disappointments, problems, and, you know, fights, issues, okay. That's the thing. Wow. Okay, so you are gaining a lot of, you know, there is a new beginning on the horizon, not in the month of April, but in the next 2 months. There's a new beginning waiting for you, or in the next 7 months, you might travel, shift, relocate, or, you know, through your job, you might travel or go somewhere, okay. And, you know, you are still juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decision, but soon you will be getting a lot of clarity related to a situation, either into your career life or into your personal life, okay. Some of the Virgos want to travel overseas, so they might get an opportunity for the same as well, okay. So yeah, wow. So there is some karmic justice is playing its role, okay. Some of you might be dealing with karmic relationships, which is not going to come to an end this month. It will take few more months. So karmic endings are worst, okay. So karmic endings is on the horizon, but not this month. In the next 2 months it might come to an end, okay. So yeah, okay. So yeah, let's see um, what universal messages needs to tell you, what universe wants to guide you for. Okay, so these are the universal messages. Okay, the first message is, the more energy and intention I bring to my faith, the more fearless and free I am. Wow. The second message, I recognize that I have chosen fear and I choose again, I choose love. Wow, do not be fearful related to a situation. The third is, I am a spirit having a human experience and I am here to get closer to love. The fourth, in every moment, the universe is conspiring to bring me towards right minded thinking and the energy of love. Wow, beautiful. So, what Angel Guardians wants to tell you? Guardians. Wow. The same thing I told you in from the universal perspective, the same came out. Communication, a heart to heart communication is needed. Okay, listen to the things properly and respond openly. Okay, the second message from the angel guardians, celebration, whenever possible celebrate with others, for then entire and great energy is raised which attracts many angels drawn by the laughter and lightness to add their blessings. It will bond you happily with others, and you have to affirm that your life is a celebration. Keep faith. I have faith in the support of universe. So universe is supporting you and universe has your back, guys. Okay, so whatever situation you are dealing with, it's a destiny's decisions. Okay, so I hope you like this reading, Virgos. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye, take care.